how you can make your first $500 to $1,000 per day or even per week, whatever your goal is, with Clickbank affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. Now, why I'm talking about Google ads a lot? The reason why is because, you see, when you're a marketer, you're looking to get the sales. So basically, when you go on Google, right, it's not a social media. It's a platform where people go to look for, to get educated, first of all, educated, or to buy the products, right? That's why you go on Google. Like, for example, you have a back pain, you're looking for the supplements, for the solutions for the back pain before you have to go out and get a freaking surgery or something more serious happen, right? So it's all buyer's intent. Now, if you know that, okay, the first thing you need to do is check the offer. Okay, so what offer are you going to promote, in what niche, right? For example, in the weight loss space, are you going to promote to males or females, right? If in the female market, you have to understand, none of the gurus actually share this with you, right? But female language is different than male language. So if you're selling to females, you cannot expect to get great results if you're using the same ad copy. And this is not your fault, right? It's not your fault. If you're watching this video, right? Most of you, maybe if you bought any courses on Clickbank for some gurus, right? For $2,000, $5,000, and you lost money, you didn't make any money with YouTube ads or Facebook ads or Google ads. The number one thing is because, as you can see, don't believe me, just go and check. They don't teach about selling to women, selling to ego, and all this important stuff that it takes to get results online. If you really want to make thousands of dollars per day, which is possible, I'm not promising you here in this video any millions overnight. No, I'm saying thousands of dollars per day or $10,000, $20,000 per month, right? It's doable, right? It's simple once you understand the bigger picture of what it takes, the whole structure of affiliate marketing on MaxWeb or on Clickbank, right? That's very important, right? Understanding your audience, language, timeline, all these, right? Things that are very important when it comes to promoting products online, right? So first of all, go on Clickbank, choose a niche. I would suggest you to check on average order value. What do I mean by that? Are there any upsells? Because look, myself, when I'm promoting Clickbank products or any other products about lead gen, solar panel, casino, whatever, crypto, whatever you're promoting, it's all come to average order value, right? So how much upsells there is, what is the upsell take rate, downsell take rate. So you see, from one customer, you can make passive income, recurring commissions over and over again, right? And if you're using Google pay-per-click ads, it's even the best thing there is, right? So you can target people by long tail keywords, short tail keywords, right? And all these buyers keywords, because we're looking, at the end of the day, we're looking for the buyers, right? You want to have those buyers there, which basically means they're going to buy the product, and you don't have to be afraid to spend money on Google ads. Why? Simply because if you go on Google, an average order value, let's say it's $50 to $100, what I would suggest you to do is just promote that offer. So the upsell take rate go up and you can make more profit. Now, if you want to know how you can do this all yourself, let me know after watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where we can connect personally, one-on-one, if you need any kind of support, hand-holding along the way to get yourself results with affiliate marketing. Okay, so subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to connect with me only if you're serious, only if you have minimum $1,000 to, I don't know, $10,000 that you can invest in yourself to get the results, to make sales online, right? And get away from all this stress, 9 to 5, and all things that doesn't matter. Actually get things done with someone who can help you along the way, okay? Hand holding you, give you the inputs on what you need to do, how you do it, right? And all this will actually help you to move forward and have really great results. So again, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.